GANNOMAT introduces the new Vantage 76, a single-line 8-foot capacity line boring machine. The Vantage bores up to 4 lines of half-bore or through-bore depth holes by computer program. Material handling is limited to loading the machine, which will then automatically complete the cycle. The drilling motion is completely controlled hydraulically for constant feed speed and chip-free boring on most coated panels. The through boring of the workpiece with no chip out reduces production time by approximately 65%. Was developed by GANNOMAT to fill a production requirement for the expanding closets market. The machine has automatic NC control to quickly produce panels with up to 4 lines of 5mm holes and up to 106 inches long. The 152 has 2 drilling lines, each with 76 spindles for a total boring length of 94.44 inches. The stops at the rear of the machine positioned to allow panels up to 106 inches to be processed. Once the program is loaded, place the part on the working table and initiate the drilling cycle with the foot pedal. Here we are boring a 16-inch panel with 4 lines of holes in the bore-through mode. Take a look at the close-up of the 4-position program as it runs. When the cycle is initiated, the board is clamped and both heads cycle. The clamps release on head 2 and it repositions and bores a 3rd line of holes. Then the rear clamps release and the head repositions and the final line is bored. The smooth drill head operation, the torsion bar stabilization, and the hydraulic actuator combine to make clean through holes in most coated panels. Solid carbide 3-point bits carve through the surface of the workpiece, leaving no chip out, thus doubling partition production. The Vantage 152 is a dual 76 spindle line boring machine. The working table sits at a comfortable height for the operator. 99 programs are available to the operator by calling the programs at the touchscreen or by barcode reader. Smooth operation combined with hydraulic brakes make chip-free through boring no problem. Drill panels with up to 4 lines of holes automatically in 23 seconds, 2 lines in 6 seconds. The Vantage drills from the bottom, enhancing safety and boring depth consistency. Chips and dust fall to the dust collection pans under the machine, saving cleanup time. The Vantage 152 will speed your line hole production and improve the quality of the final product. The more a panel is repositioned during the milling operation, the more chances there are for costly mistakes. The Vantage with its 8-foot capacity and automatic operation eliminates the problem and will greatly enhance your production.